Jay Stunnell here. Today I've got an important message for you. No, not this one, although I'm going to keep this and read it later. Definitely not that one. Save our Gulf! Now this is a pretty special message because today is the Harte Research Institute's Day of Giving.
We're inviting you to be part of something impactful for the Gulf of Mexico. Whether you're by the beach or a beach lover from afar, every dollar you give goes directly to groundbreaking research, innovation, and solutions that address urgent environmental challenges. From restoring vital oyster reefs and rescuing endangered coral species to creating cleaner bays and waterways, your generosity powers science-based solutions that protect and sustain Gulf Coast ecosystems for the people and wildlife that depend on them.
So donate to the Harte Research Institute's Day of Giving by clicking in the link in the description. And join us in making a difference today. Together, we are building a resilient coast for future generations.